everyone. It is literally like 6 o'clock. I woke up early and I decided to take advantage of this. 6:54. I wonder what I'm doing. I am cleaning out this fucking box today because I don't have time for this shit. I'm into things that I want to sell to Plato's Closet and the things I think I might add. This is a set. I think I'm gonna add this set to my Poshmark. I just feel like Poshmark has slowed down so much since they changed the fees and it hasn't come back to like the norm. I also have a bunch of jeans and all of these I'm gonna take to Plato's. Hi everyone, it is later. It is 9 o'clock. I've made some progress, as you guys saw. I have donation bags and then I have these are what I'm taking to Play-Doh. They're just a bunch of jeans. So I'm hoping I'm gonna get a decent amount of money. Like at least maybe over $100 because there's a lot of jeans. I also, as you can tell, I showered, which was very needed. I feel great. And then the other thing I need to do today is go into the office and pick a parking spot because the parking spot that they gave me was literally right next to an SUV and I don't fit. Anyways, that's my day so far. Very productive, which is fabulous. I still need to declutter more, even though I got rid of a lot, which is great. I have a pile, like this pile right here is for things that I need to sell on Poshmark, but my Poshmark has been so mid and so, I don't know, not good selling anything. So I don't know, there's just a lot of free people stuff in there. So I'm like, I'd rather just sell that on Poshmark than to Play-Doh's because they don't give you much money for it. Then I have like stragglers that I'm like, I need to be more strict when it comes to getting rid of things because of course I bought it, so I do like it. But the question is, do I wear it? If it's no, I need to let go, even if I like the item. And I think that's one of my biggest issues because I'm like, oh, I like this, I like this, I like this. It's like, bitch, of course you like it. You bought it. You better like it. But you're not wearing it because of X and Y and Z reasons. You need to get rid of it because you have too much shit, too much clothes. I don't know how I ended up here. And like my parents' house, there's even more clothes that I'm supposed to sell and I've never sold anything. So yeah, I think slightly hoarding behavior, but I snap of it quick because we're not like, I'm a very like nice person, so like I'm not allowing myself to get to that point at all. Sometimes I just get this like, I don't even know how to describe it, to get rid of everything, and that's where I'm at right now. I'm like, I need to just get rid of everything because I don't wear anything that I have. So if I don't like it, it needs to go, it needs to leave. So I only have the things that I do wear. I did that with my sweaters when I cleaned out from spring to summer, and I need to do that with my summer clothes. But I just went down to the office and they were like talking, so I was like, okay, I'll come back later. I just want to get this parking situation figured out because they gave me options and the other option that I wanted ended up being taken away within a day. And I was like, I need to get this figured out right now, so I can have a parking spot. Okay, we're ready to go. So now we're going to Plato's Closet. I counted, I have 27 to 30 items. Hi everyone. I went to I literally went to Plato's Closet. Apparently there's like 2 Plato's Closet and one of them is closer to the city where I live. And they only do it by appointment. I'm like, I've never heard of that before in my life. So I really couldn't fucking sell anything. And they had a mess. So I was like, I'm not doing this today. I don't have time for this. So I look. And then they're like, oh, the other Plato's Closets are in like Rhode Island or New Hampshire. I was like, fuck. Like I was literally in Rhode Island this weekend. I was so annoyed, but I'm not going down to Rhode Island till Thanksgiving. So, and it's also not worth it to drive because I literally have no idea what they're gonna take. I mean, it's a bunch of jeans and I know they always look for jeans. And with Buffalo Exchange, is that they don't buy a lot of stuff, so we'll see what they take. Okay, I ate my food. Hi everyone, it is later in the day and look at what I put up. My Christmas tree. Very excited. Update on trying to sell my shit. It just did not work out. I was able to go to the one that's closest to me, the Buffalo Exchange, whatever it's called. There's just not parking. There were so many people. I was like, I'm not jogging all this heavy ass denim to that store. I'm just gonna wait until I go back to Rhode Island and do it in Rhode Island. There's parking. It just better. So I'm just gonna wait. I do have one, two, three. I have 4 bags that I need to take down to my car so I can donate them on Wednesday when I go to the office. And then I have a pile of things that I need to sell on Poshmark that I need to take pictures of. But I think I did really well. I also organized my closet. I still need to organize and work on my closet because I need to fully transition it into winter and my sweaters, which are currently underneath my bed. Yeah, so that's kind of like what I've been working on. I don't know what happened to me today, but I woke up with energy and ready to take on the world, which is a good thing, but like this usually doesn't happen. It doesn't happen. And I think this is why we should have 3-day weekends instead of 2, because on Saturday I did absolutely nothing. I was a potato. Yesterday I did a little bit, but I was also a potato. And then today I just had the energy and I rested enough to be able to get shit done. I don't know. I think like a 3-day weekend should be mandatory for sure for your mental health.